Hello friends. Today we are making one simple breakfast dish. Rice dumpling with brown rice, popularly known as Kozhukkatta. First of all, 2 cups of brown rice or Kuthari will soak overnight. On morning it will be soaked enough. Drain water completely, and we will make a coarse powder with a teaspoon of cumin seed added to rice. Brown rice is really healthy one because bran is not fully removed in the process. Bran is the rich source of fiber which is good for health, also helpful in controlling diabetes, and also good for people who wish to lose their weight. Now we will mix enough salt with the rice powder. And slowly add some water to make a dough. Next we will add 2½ cup of grated coconut with the mix. If you wish you could add more coconut as it will improve the taste. When the dough become ready, we will put idli cooker with enough water to steam our rice dumplings. We make small balls with the dough and steam it for 15 to 20 minutes. Some may put these balls in the water and cook on it. The water is served with the dumplings, to drink with it. It's also really tasty one. Now our rice dumplings or Kozhukatta is ready. Thank you.